Hey guys, I wanted to jump on here today to try to pick this Brinks block for you guys. This is my first time going on camera, so give me a little love and support, hopefully. um, Please don't be too hard on me. I wanted to get on for a while now, you know, share something. I have just really learned so much from watching you guys, and I appreciate that more than, just you guys being willing to share your experiences and your skill and just everything. I mean, it's just really cool of all of you guys, and I really love how supportive everyone in the lock sport community is. You guys really try to help one another out. I love that, and appreciate it so much. This is tougher than it looks. I just really appreciate you guys, posting daily or weekly or whatever. It's just cool to see. There's always so many new videos, so much stuff to watch, stuff to take in, videos to watch again and again. I thought Bear's back video on making pins was awesome. He really tries to encourage new pickers and just pickers in general. And it was really cool to watch. That's stuff that I am still getting into. My husband is a picker, and I guess he's kind of why I took this up, because I was curious what he was doing and wanted to be a part of it. And then I found, after picking, that I really enjoyed it and wanted to know more and more and more. So at first I started out, just wanting it open and wanting to rake it open, and my favorite go-to was a city rake or a triple peak Bogota. So now I'm trying to build my single pin picking skill. And sorry for all the noise with those keys. Little kind of small workspace here. Anyhow, I just wanted to give this a shot and see how it went. And there it went. Best sound ever, right? But here you go. Just fell off there. Here's the keys. Just a bitting. Not much to it. Well, let's bring it. But fun little block to practice on, and I really love the shackles. You hear that click, click, click? Just a really smooth shackle. And yeah. Anyhow, thank you all for watching, and if I do get in a giveaway, that'd be awesome. But if I've missed my shot, then good luck to the rest of y'all either way. And Bear's back, thanks for doing stuff like that. It's just really encouraging and really cool of you to do. So you all have a great weekend, and thanks for watching. If you don't mind, like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Talk to you later. Bye bye.